He is handsome. She's
gorgeous.
She is gorgeous.
Look at that little stance.
Her little tail wagging. Hey, Allie. What you doing? She does want to play. Hey guys, thanks for joining us on our dog and rabbit tour today. This is our first dog that we're meeting. This is Allie. She's a cutie. She's a 2-year-old hound retriever mix with pretty brindle stripes and a good tail wag. Love her. Love her. Let's see her. This is a little stray dog. 1.5-year-old Doberman mix. If you recognize this dog, if this is your dog or your neighbor's dog or something, please tell the owner. Please come get your dog. We'd love to reunite you. If her owners don't show up after the stray hold, she will be available for lunch. I know, we don't know the camera. We don't know each other. I'm sorry, we don't. We'll talk later. Okay. This is Mufasa. Hey, Michelle, I'll check the messenger right after the video, okay? Will do. Thanks, Michelle. This is Mufasa. Mufasa's a 3-year-old retriever husky. He sits kind of cockeyed. His legs are a little pigeon-toed. Hi, buddy. You're handsome. Hi. Oh, I like how he wags his tail after you tell him that he's handsome. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Don't forget, we have a pet supply shop. We actually have this really nice cage if we have any bird people here. Might also work for maybe a small reptile. I wouldn't put my chameleon in it, but maybe it would work. Pet supply shop has great food, leashes, collars, treats, goodies, bowls, like everything that you could need is in this store. And all the proceeds, of course, go back to the shelter. So there's that. If you need any goodies. Kaiser. Kaiser finally has his e-collar off. Hey, Kaiser. He's a 2-year-old German Shepherd mix. Hey, bud. He's got an unusual face. It's something about, I don't know if it's just the placement of his 2 little eyebrows, or if there's something different with the formation of like the top of his skull. I don't know. He looks a little special. He's cute. Love him. Hi, bud. Again, that's Kaiser. Empty kennel. That never happens. Astro. This is Astro. Astro's a 1.5-year-old blue heeler mix. Hi, buddy. Hey, Astro. I know, you want to be nice. He's a nice boy. You're nice. I know, you're nice. This pretty girl, this is Cookie. Cookie's a 2-year-old retriever Catahoula mix. She does need to be the only dog in the home, but she's super pretty. She is kind of chewing at her feet. I don't know, the dogs kind of do that on a regular basis. Once you get her home, maybe just watch what food you feed her. Sometimes it's set off by like food allergies. But regardless, she's a cutie. She looks big. She weighs 68 pounds. She looks pretty tall. Hi, she's cute. Hey, pretty girl. Okay, so we are gonna go into our dog domain area now to see all of the dogs, mostly like medium-sized dogs. I don't know that we really have any small dogs. I can hear it's already gonna be loud in there. I hear it. They're already barking before I even get in there. So I'm probably not gonna talk too much. I will try to do a close-up of the paperwork so you know who you're looking at. Just bear with me because it's going to be one of those loud days. Once we get out of doggy domain, you can turn the sound back on. Dogs. Barking dogs. Story of my life. Here we go. Oh my God, there's some cuties. You're so cute. cute. Hee hee hee. Sorry about that. This is my boo-boo. I love this guy. Hey, handsome. So handsome. Somebody needs to adopt her soon. She's so cute. Pretty girl, say hi. Say hello to everyone. Hey. Nemo. Oh, goodness gracious. You're adorable. Too cute. Okay. So let's look at you sitting funny. Ooh, goodness gracious. So as I suspected, that room was really loud. Hey. We're gonna go see what's going on with the rabbits. Let's see what we have going on. We're gonna see rabbits and then large dogs, and then we'll make a stop in the puppy palace. Californians, sugar and cream are still here. Hey guys. Our bonded pair of Dutch rabbits are still here. This is Doris and Jenny. If you ever have any questions about our bunnies, definitely feel free to reach out to us. A lot of times we have a lot of personality information on there. We can tell you if they're litter trained or anything. If you're interested in a rabbit, this is Oreo, by the way, 2-year-old English spot. If you're interested in rabbit and you just don't see one here that you love, definitely reach out to Bunny Buddies, our friends over at Bunny Buddies. It's a bunny rescue. They have a whole bunch of adoptable rabbits that need homes. This little rabbit butt belongs to little St. Josephine. I can't see her face. That's her butt. She's really cute. She's kind of down back behind the sign. She's adorable. Who else do we have? I don't see our guinea pigs. I think they got adopted. This is Big Mac, our big Californian. And then the last pair that we have, bonded pair. This is Miss Bunny and Raspberry. They're cute. I want to open the kennel for them because they're super adorbs. Hey. Hey guys. Hey. Hey. Super cute. Love them. Okay. So now we're going to go back to dogs. Let's get back to the dogs. Okay, dogs. Oh, to note, we do still have 2 rats. They have to be adopted separately. This one on the bottom likes to sleep on his back. He's a little weird. You can see he's trying to sleep on his back. I don't really know what that's about, but that's what he's doing. And we still have our mice. We have 5 mice, boy nieces, and they need to find a home. They need to get out of here. Okay, big dogs. Again, if it gets loud and barky, I'll zoom in on the paperwork so you can see who we're looking at. Oh, you're cute. needs a brushing. This guy needs brushing. Oh, get that undercut out. Girl, you need to go to the spa. Stormy, there's your face. It's kind of hard to see through the door. Oh, you're the one making noise. Let's see. This is Luigi. He's just barking because he's stressed and he wants to get out of here. Stressed and he wants to get out. This is Puck has been here over 100 days. He's one of our over 100 days dogs. He just wants a home. Somebody's got to give him a chance. Remember, if you go to our website and you click on the dog's picture, it'll take you to more information about that dog. Birdie. Birdie, up here. Birdie, up. She's not gonna look up. Ellie. This is Riley. Oh, we're getting a reflection on this yellow cone. Give me a second, guys. And this hair is kind of scratched. I need a good picture of you, bud. Hi. He's so cute. I love you. I love you. Oh, she's adorable. With a little heart on her nose. Oh, love her. Okay. So I think that's all the big dogs. We're just going to go see what's going on in Puppy Palace. So, general consensus for the dogs is that we have a whole bunch. Not many small dogs, but we have a lot of dogs who have been here over 100 days. We have a lot of dogs, oddly enough, they're about 6 years old, and we have a lot of huskies. So if you're interested in any of those types of dogs, we'd love to have you over. You got adopted. Yay. Congratulations on your adoption. You're so cute. So this little girl's available for adoption. Her name is Lizzie. Is deaf. She seems to be deaf. Pending further evaluation after veterinarian. I think this baby is getting adopted. I think. Oh goodness, you're cute. So cute, but I think that's it for the dogs, guys. We just have Lizzie, this one right here, and she's special needs because she's deaf. But look at, she looks like she's wearing lipsticks. Hi, you're cute. Yeah. So if you do want to come and adopt, if you want to visit, you an appointment, submit your application, and then they'll schedule an appointment for you to come visit. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to send a message. If you want any more information about any of the pets here at the shelter, every adoptable animal is listed on our website. And if you click on their picture, it'll take you to more information about that pet. There's usually like a bio profile there with more details. Hey, pretty girl. And you'll find out most everything that you need to know about that pet. So anyways, thank you guys. Thanks for joining us on our tour. Thank you for supporting pet adoption. Please tell all your friends and family if you hear them say something like, I need a dog or I need a cat. Just chime in and say, hey, I know where there's about 250 of them. And send them our way. Thanks, guys. Have a great week. Bye, guys. I'm just going to sit here and play with puppies for a while. Have a great week.